Hello everybody, I am Roshni from 8th D. I am going to explain now environment cleanliness. I am going to say before environment cleanliness. Cleanliness is a mindset, a positive that keep the body, mind and environment happy, healthy, simple, neat and delightful. Clean environment that includes clean water, air, land and energy is essential for human existence, conducting business and creating wealth. These components must be sustained through conservation and proper management. Cleanliness is both the abstract state of being clean and free from germs, dirt, trash or waste and the habit of achieving and maintaining this state. Cleanliness is often achieved through cleaning. Cleanliness is a good quality as indicated by the aphorism. Cleanliness is next to godliness and may regarded as contributing to other ideals such as health and beauty. This image we seeing gardener, caretaker, sweeper are they cleaning the environment. Those people only cleaning the environment. No, every people can clean the environment. Every people can clean the environment. Our environment is so clean and neat and pure. Before we see the environment cleanness, now we see the remedy of environment. Do you know our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir launched the Swachh Bharat? Swachh Bharat motive is Clean India, Green India. Reduce the usage of your electrical appliances. This services as the best means to conserve the energy. You can buy appliances that are not only environment friendly but energy efficient too. One of the best ways to conserve electricity is by switching off all the lights and appliances when not in use. You can wash your clothes in the washing machine using both warm and cold water instead of using hot water. Try solar power for heating water instead of an electrical appliances. Drive your car less. You can drive your car less and acquire other means of transportation instead. Many countries recommended repairing of leaking air condition of your car that adversely destroys the upper layer of ozone atmosphere. Recycle the waste products. Many waste products like glass, plastics, aluminium and paper can be recycled instead of being disposed of in the dustbin. This will prevent any air pollution accumulated on burning these products. You can also use reusable towels and reusable bags rather than using disposable plastic or bags. Avoid the pollution. Try not to throw away trash or waste materials almost anywhere in and around your house. You must try to dispose of biodegradable as well as non-biodegradable wastes in a proper way and avoid littering in all over your home environment. And excess air or water pollution can negatively affect your and your family's health while destroying the entire environment globally. This is air pollution. This is water pollution in beach. We can throw in the plastic bags. So water polluting in beach. So we clean that. So everybody clean the water pollution. Save electricity and save water. Water is wasted more frequently than we can see turned off the vacuum as you are brushing your teeth. Do not turn your shower on until you are ready to get in and wash your hair. Limit your water usage as you wash dishes. Changing old habits will be good for both the environment and your wallet. Most important, plant trees. We should plant trees in your society or we can also adopt any tree and take care of that. Trees will help in controlling the pollution at least a little bit. Having lots of trees in your society will help you have fresh air for you and your kids maintain good health. And with a beautiful green society, you can inspire others to follow the track and save the city and environment. So plant the trees. Today we are in the corona lockdown, so no office, no school. So now the plant the trees is the best way. So everybody plant the tree. Trees also absorb the pollution and giving them pure oxygen. Clean the environment. Sanitation and cleanliness for a healthy environment. Stop the pollution, be part of the solution. Save the tree also. In our environment, do not use the plastic bags. Plastic bags creating more environment pollution. You can see this image. One side of the environment is good. One side of the environment is so bad. So what is this understanding from this image? I said before, what is the remedy of environment? Save the tree, plant the tree, do not cut the tree, save the water, stop the pollution, save the electricity, do not use the plastic. So more I said, you can follow this, you have the pure environment, breathe the pure air. You doesn't follow this, you have the air pollution, you can breathe the artificial air. So everybody clean the environment. Thank you.